Mag-live muna ako. Saan magbibihes?
Yung cup-miss natin, dadalhin mo yan.
Oo, nasa baba.
Nasa baba lang.
I think nasa baba. Hello! See you in a bit. We'll be going to One Ayala in Makati for the Girl Coded event. For the Girl Coded Con, She Slays 2025. Medyo napaaga lang ako ng tapos ng makeup and glam. But I'll be there very soon kasi malapit lang ako. Like, 10 minutes away lang. I'm gonna be performing there. I have quite had a very rough couple of days. I was filming something the other day and then nalaglag ako sa stairs. And medyo may injury yung right leg ko. But it's getting better every day. I won't be able to dance the night away tonight, so we're just gonna jam tonight. But I'm still gonna be performing. It's gonna be my last performance here in the Philippines before I go on tour again. So we're gonna make it count. I'll see you there. Meron na bang mga tao dyan? Meron na bang mga nasa One Ayala? I'll see you there. Around, I think my performance is gonna be at 6 p.m. or earlier, so just be there. I'm gonna see you there. Mamimiss ka na naman ng Philippines. I know. Mamimiss ko na naman si River. Mag-LDR na naman kami. Gawan nyo nga kami ng love team ni River. Ano kayang maganda? Isipan nyo. Ang pogi ni River, no? Are you going in One Ayala? Yes, I'm going there. I think my performance is gonna be at 5:40 to 6 p.m.-ish. So I'll see you there. Medyo napaaga lang yung makeup ko. That's why I went on live first. I'm still in my house. But it's gonna be like a 10-minute drive to the venue. So I'll see you guys there. Pila? Anong pila yan? Ang mga pila para lang sa mga pangit. Pag maganda ka, hindi ka pipila. Kaya sa mga nakapila, alam niyo na. Alam niyo na kung ba't kayo nakapila. Pagka mga hindi masyadong kagandahan, dapat pumila. So, sorry. Sorry sa inyong lahat. Sorry. Never akong pumila. Sa ano lang ako pumila. Sa PUP lang ako pumila before. And then lots of Pocari Sweat kasi nag-vaccine ako last night. And medyo, meron akong mga, mabigat yung katawan ko today. So, alam nyo, sabihan nyo si Kuya, dapat ipasok ako sa PBB talaga. Babalik ako ng June. Kalampagin nyo yung PBB, kailangan pumasok ako sa PBB talaga. Malaman nila kung ano talaga ang tunay na housemate. No? Uugain ko sila doon. Mag-aantak kami every single episode. 24 hours. Tapos magkakadal lang kami ni River. Kami po nakapila na pero sa Ayala. Perfect! We'll see you there. Matapos na ata sila sa June. Ay, tapos na sila sa June. June pa kasi ako babalik eh. Guess na lang sa big night. Oo, mag-perform ako para ano. Dali, sabihan niyo si Kuya, mag-ano ako dun. Guest judge ako dun, oh. Guest judge? Guest housemate. Ipasok sa bahay ni... Oo, sa bahay ko na lang ipasok si River. Big winner yan, for sure. Excited to see you perform here in Ayala. Yes, I'll see you there in an hour, I think. I'm dressing up very soon and then I'll go there very soon na. I just wanted to go live kasi nagba-marinate pa yung makeup sa skin ko. Ilang months na naman nawawala? I think 2 months. I'll be gone for 2 months. 2 months. Is that your hair? Yes, it's my hair. All of it. Extensions lang tayo today. Para mas mahaba. Pero, it's my real hair. But I'm wearing extensions, so still drag. Is this a ticketed event? Honestly, hindi ko rin alam. Are you ready for Work the World? Yes, tingnan nyo. Sobrang kalat ng room ko. Kasi nag-iimpake kami, oh. Ayan. 3 luggages ang aking dala. At mag-isa lang ako. So, Iba na naman ang time zone natin. Correct. So, pag magla-live ako, anong oras na naman dito? 3 a.m. na naman sa inyo. Over naman sa pretty. Hi, Dale. Over naman sa pagkawala ng vape. Hindi ko mahanap yung vape. What's your lip combo? My lip combo is... Let me show you. Paubos na siya actually. Kailangan ko nang mag-replenish. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I forgot the anong shade siya, but it's an Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's like the dark brown, but medyo may pagka-pinkish siya kasi ayoko ng pangalan nito. Super brown na na lip liner. Para mukhang flesh lang. And then I use, it's my all-time favorite, Tank Smack. This nude. Kasi nude siya, but it has pink. Medyo pinkish siya, but also it doesn't look pink. And it doesn't look too nude. So, ayun o, pretty lang siya. So, itong dalawa, lagi yung ginagamit ko. 2 products lang. And then, when I use gloss, I use ano lang. Ayan, saan yung gloss ko? Dior. I have a Dior lip oil gloss. That's what I use. Which brings me to... I need to get my retouch. Pagdating ng alas 5, magbibihis na kami. Para hindi kami malate. Madam, hinahanap ka na dito. Wala pa! Wala pa daw. Ayun, kaka-message lang. Oh. Wala pa daw. Ayoko mag-antay dyan. Naka-corset kasi ako eh. Dito ka ba magba-Vermonts? No, sadly. September, October, November, December, I'm gonna be in the US. Sadly. Maglalaplapan ba kayo ni Maxi? Kaya yung ano nyo? Kamukha mo po si Piolo yung kaibigan ko. Oh, anong gagawin natin? Hi, Karen! Diba, nakakaano, news anchor yung hair, nakaka-news anchor yung malaking kulot. New York City, when ulit? I'm not sure yet. I think second half of Work the World ako sa US. So, I think from September 14th onwards ako ng Work the World. So, I'm not sure if New York is there, but I'm just gonna show up in whatever city I am in. Mas Swiftie ka ba? No na! I mean, I like Taylor Swift naman. Pero hindi na ako like super fan. But before, nung kabataan ko, super fan talaga ako. Pero nag-change yung music taste ko. So, iba na yung mga pinakikinggan ko ngayon. And like, parang over time naman, every single year, nagbabago yung mga favorites ko. Ayun. Ganyan hair ko everyday. Di ba, Miss Kalad Karen? Ito ang hair mo everyday. Habang nagbabalita ka ng showbiz chika. Ganyan. Nakaka-star patroller, di ba? Ay, ano nga yun sa inyo? Ano yung tawag dun sa ano nyo? Sa show nyo? Yung star patroller kasi sa TV patrol yun eh. Yan. Di ba sinisipon na naman ako? Every time na nag-ano ako, nagpa-powder, talagang sinisipon talaga ako. Are you performing for Hawaii Pride again? I hope so. Hawaii is my favorite city that I've toured apart from the Philippines. It's like my second favorite. Apart from the Philippines, it's my second favorite. So technically, it's my number one. Hawaii, Honolulu is my number one. Honolulu is my number one. As in, I love it there. I love Hawaii. What's your top 5? What's my top 5 cities that I've visited? In terms of crowd, or like the city itself, or baka different reasons. Sige. Number 1, I really love Hawaii, Honolulu. It's like one of my favorite cities that I've toured. It's so beautiful. The people are amazing. They're all so kind. The nature is amazing. Basta ang ganda. It's the right mix of like city and nature. And I now know why Bretman decided to stay there. And I would love to move there as well. If I am given a chance to move into a different country, it's gonna be Hawaii because I'm a beach girl. I'm an island girl. So, but also work is in the city. So it's like the right mix of both. So definitely Honolulu. My second favorite, not really second favorite, but second on my list in no particular order. Definitely London. I did one of my biggest shows in London last year in Clapham Grand, and that was an epic show. I really loved it. One of my favorites as well is honestly Texas, because the girls, Texas drag is built different. Texas drag is amazing. I did a show with the girls in the Roundup Saloon. They were all amazing. I loved it there. The energy in the room was amazing. There were a lot of people who came to the show. So one of my favorite cities ever, Texas. I also love, it's a toss-up between Vancouver and Toronto. Vancouver and Toronto are like some of my favorite cities in the world, because the support of the Filipino community there is just amazing. And every time I go to Canada, every time I go to Vancouver, Toronto, and everywhere else in Canada, to be honest, it's just a blast. And I've toured Canada twice last year on my own. That's how much I love Canada. I also love New York. I love performing in New York. It's not as grand as my other tours, as my other shows, but the energy in New York City is just amazing. I love the people there. I love all the creative energy that is surrounding the city. So that's one of my favorites. Locally, I really love CDO. As in CDO, I really loved it there. The food is amazing. The crowd is amazing. And the queens are so talented. I also enjoyed Jensen. Grabe the turnout of the people during our show last year in Jensen was wild. It was wild. Yeah. What time is it over there? It's 4:50 and I'm about to leave because I have to dress up already for my show. So I'm gonna see you guys very soon. I'll see you guys very soon. I'm gonna be jumping to Work the World tour starting tomorrow. I am so excited. Yeah, I will be traveling tomorrow for Work the World. It's been an absolute dream of mine to be able to join Work the World tour. I've been a fan of the tour, even the documentaries that they do, for a very long time now, even when I was still starting as a drag queen, and even before Drag Race Philippines happened. I've always been a fan of Work the World, and to be able to be lined up with the amazing queens that we have on this tour, just mind-blowing for me that I get to do it with legends, with icons. So tomorrow marks the start of my Work the World journey. I'm gonna be doing Europe, Australia, Asia, and then North America in around mid-September until the end of October. So, and we have a lot more amazing things planned for this year. We're going to be announcing them very, very soon. And I'm going to be touring Europe again in May on my own. It's a solo tour. I'm going to be visiting Berlin, Amsterdam. I'm going to be visiting Cannes, Montpellier, Paris, I think Brussels as well, and Lisbon, I think. So there's a lot of plans on the next coming months. So I'm going to be seeing you there, guys. Okay? Thank you so much. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.